Hello, and today I'm going to take you through our Model 2 and Model 2R Max Inlet Water Level graph. This is a tool to use to help you determine if and when you need to install pretreatment based off your water chemistry report for the water. So starting off, the first thing you need to know is what your TDS level is, which is going to be the chart here on the left-hand side. The Model 2 and Model 2R are both included on this chart, so up to 1500 TDS. The max allowable hardness and iron level is the exact same between Model 2R and Model 2. Obviously, if you're above 1500 TDS, you're outside of the specifications of the Model 2R, and you would need to go to Model 2 to handle higher TDS levels. So to use this graph, the first thing you're gonna need to do is find your, get your TDS level of the feed water. We'll use 650 TDS, for instance. So at 650 TDS, you need to round up to the next level if you're over that, which will be 700 TDS. So at 700 TDS, the next two columns after it is going to be your max allowable hardness level, which is 13 at 700 TDS, and the max allowable iron is 1.4 milligrams a liter. If you are above those, that's your indicator that you're going to need to install pretreatment to reduce those numbers to this number or below. The secondary table on the right-hand side are our max allowable inputs, no matter what the feed TDS level is. This table will grow as we find more contaminants or get more questions from the field. So this is going to be kind of a living document, which is going to be updated on the Culligan service app if there's any updates to it, as well as on the dealer portal for Model 2. So for instance, if you show positive results for silica and high turbidity, you just follow this table. This is our max allowable silica, which is 30 milligrams per liter. If you're at 25 milligrams a liter of silica, for instance, you're good to install without requiring pretreatment. If you're above 30 milligrams a liter, you need to install pretreatment to reduce that number. Same thing with turbidity, for instance. If you're at turbidity of 3 NTU, then that's your indicator that you're above our max allowable input of 1 NTU, and you'll need to install pretreatment prior to our system to reduce that up to meet our maximum allowable input. There are instructions on this graph when you pull it up on the Culligan app and on the dealer portal, which is on page 2, just like this. This again walks you through on how to follow this table and help you identify where and when you may need to install pretreatment. If you have any questions on this graph or would like any assistance from our technical support team on any type of unique water chemistries you may have, or get any suggestions or best practices that we have and we found with using Model 2 and Model 2R pretreatments on it, you can definitely reach out to our technical support team via email or by phone and send your lab report over, and we can walk through the lab report with you guys and see what we might see as well. Thank you.